Good morning, Kasturians. In continuation with the last video, let us study more about chapter 4 of civics, that is the judiciary. So let's start. The previous video was all about the Supreme Court, its composition and the eligibility criterions for judges of Supreme Court and the various jurisdictions. In this video, we will see and learn about the High Court. The High Court is the highest judicial authority in a state, and it can be established by the parliament for two or more states. At present in India, we have 24 high courts. Every high court consists of a chief justice and a panel of other judges. The number of judges is decided by the size of the state. Therefore, the number of judges varies from High Court of one state to the High Court of other state. To be appointed as the Chief Justice of a High Court, the President consults with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of that state, and the other panel of judges are appointed by the President after consulting the Chief Justice of India, the Governor and the Chief Justice of the High Court of that particular or specific state. The eligibility criterion for appointment as a judge of High Court are: the person to be appointed as a judge in High Court must be a citizen of India, and he should have at least 10 years of experience as an advocate of High Court or as an experience of two or more such courts in succession. The term of a judge to hold the office as a High Court judge is a bit different from the judges of Supreme Court. The judges of High Court can serve till the age of 62, and the procedure to remove the judges is same as that of the Supreme Court. The High Court has specific jurisdictions. It can issue writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights. The High Court can pass rules on election petitions and other election related disputes. The High Court hears appeals in both civil and criminal cases against the decisions of the subordinate courts and has the power to review the judgments of the subordinate courts. The High Court controls and supervises the working of the subordinate courts of the specific state. Every state has an advocate general in addition to the high courts, and this advocate general is appointed by the governor of that particular state, whose main work is to advise the state government on legal issues and perform other legal duties and obligations which are assigned by the governor. And the qualifications for being appointed as the advocate general of the state are the same as the judges of the High Court. The subordinate courts are the courts that assist the High Court in every state. So in each state, the various districts are there, and the courts which function in these particular districts, they are called the subordinate courts. These courts hear civil and criminal cases pertaining to the district in which the court is formed. The courts in which civil cases are heard at the district level are called district courts, whereas the courts dealing with the criminal cases at district levels are called sessions court. In these subordinate courts, we have different types, like the district judges court. It is the highest civil court in a district, which can hear cases related to land, property, money transactions, marriage, divorce, and will and guardianship. The appeals against the judgments of the lower courts can also be heard in the district judges court. In some districts, additional district judges assist the district judge. Then we have the Sessions Judge Court. It is the highest criminal court in a district, which is presided by the district judge, who is called the district and session judge. In these sessions court, criminal cases of murder, dacoity and robbery are tried, and the sessions judge, they can hear appeals against the judgments of the lower courts. Then we have the revenue courts, which deal with the cases of land records, and they also assess and collect land revenue from the landlords or the landholders. The highest revenue court under the supervision of High Court is the Board of Revenue, while the highest revenue court in a district is the court of the collector. The Panchayat courts, they deal with the civil and criminal cases at the rural or village level, which work under various regional names such as Nyay Panchayat, Gram Kachehari and so on. 3 or 4 villages, they are clubbed together under a Nyay Panchayat, and the sentence of the Nyay Panchayat or the Panchayat court cannot be appealed against, but the parties involved in that sentence can seek legal remedy in a court. The process of seeking justice through courts is very time consuming and expensive in our country. So for these reasons, and to provide quick remedy to certain issues, the Lok Adalat or the People's Court was set up, which is providing speedy justice. A Lok Adalat is presided over by a retired judge along with 2 other members, which can be a lawyer and a social worker. The parties in dispute, they put forward their own cases without advocates, and these cases are solved through mutual understanding and compromise. Once the order is passed in the Lok Adalat, no appeal can be made against all such orders. That's all we have in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.